Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to comment with a sticker on Instagram step by step. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. First, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Now, scroll down through your feed and find the post where you'd like to leave a sticker comment. Step 3. Tap on the comment bar located just below the post to start typing your comment. Step 4. Look for the sticker icon at the bottom right corner of the comment box. Step 5. Tap on the sticker icon to access the sticker options. Step 6. Browse through the collection of stickers available and choose the one that best suits your message. Step 7. Once you've found the perfect sticker, tap on it to select it. Step 8. Finally, send your comment by tapping on the sticker itself. And that's it. Your comment will now include the sticker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.